Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nojina. Before we start the video, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell button, okay? And make sure to like this video and comment any question you want to ask, okay? And the last thing, share this video if you liked it, okay? Today we'll take patterns. We'll take a new lesson. It will be patterns, okay? Patterns. I'll write you a sentence and definition if you wanna to remember, okay? A sequence is a group of numbers or terms in a certain order, okay? Patterns have any pattern has a sequence, okay? So the sequence is a group of numbers or terms in a certain order. Let's give an example. Let's give an example in a blackboard. Okay, first of all, let's see. Is the pattern increasing or decreasing? From 2 to 4, it's increasing. Okay, that's the first step. So, second thing, the patterns, when the patterns increase, they either increase by adding or multiplying. So let's see. From 2 to 4, do we add or multiply?
Add.
Let's start with adding because it's easier. Okay? From 2 to 4, we add 2. From 4 to 6, we add 2. From 6 to 8, we add 2. Okay? So, this number 2 is a constant difference. Okay? The constant difference is the difference between the two numbers in a pattern. Okay? So here the constant okay, the constant difference is add 2. The question has two questions. The first question is find the constant difference, and the second question is find the next 2 points, okay? So, first of all, we found the constant difference. What do we do next? We find the next 2 numbers, okay? So, what will we do to find these 2 numbers? Here we added 2, and here we added 2, and here we added 2. So, here we'll add 2 plus 2. So, 8 plus 2 will be 10. And then we'll add 2 here. 10 plus 2 will be 12, okay? So, the next 2 digits is 10, 12. So this is how you answer. You have a question, numbers, and they tell you find the constant difference and the next 2 digits. So the answer will be constant difference plus 2, the next 2 digits, 10, 12. Okay? Let's give another example. So what do we do first? We see if the pattern is increasing or decreasing. In this pattern from 80 to 73, it decreases. Okay? So that's the first thing we need to get. The pattern, when it increases, it either decreases by dividing or subtracting. So let's see if it subtract first, because subtracting is easier than dividing. So we said that from 80 to 73 it decreases, okay? Well, let's see what is the constant difference. Okay, for 80 minus 73 is 7. Okay, 73 minus 66 is, it will be 7. Okay, so we'll do negative 7 because from 80 to 73. Imagine it's on a number, it's on a line number. Okay, and here is 80 and here is 73. You'll go negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, and negative 7. Okay, so we'll write here negative 7 to remember that we subtract 7. Okay, let's erase this. From 66 to 59 we subtract 7, and from 59 to 52 we subtract 7. Okay, so the constant difference is subtract 7. Okay, well, let's find the next two digits. What will we do? We'll do 52 minus 7, which is 45, and then 45 minus 7, okay, which is 38. Okay, so the next two digits will be 45, comma 38. So these are your answers. Okay, so let's explain everything. Okay, so what will happen if what will happen if the constant difference is not the same? What will happen if the constant difference is not the same? What do I mean when I say it's not the same? I mean that the first difference, as we saw, it's positive 2 or negative 7. It's not the same. We do positive 2, then the other one is positive 4, then the other one is positive 6. So the constant difference are not the same. Okay, I'll give you an example to explain to you on it. I wrote the answer. Okay, so let's see. First of all, the pattern is increasing. Okay, they don't actually ask you if the pattern is increasing or decreasing. They rarely ask if it's increasing or decreasing. Okay, so from 10 to 17 we add 7. Okay, from 17 to 26 we add 9. This is what I mean, that the difference, the constant difference are not the same. This is not 7 like this. Okay, from 26 to 37 it's 11, and from 37 to 50 it's plus 13. Okay, so this is the first difference. Okay? We'll do a second difference. What do I mean with the second difference? We'll solve as if this is the pattern, okay? As if this is not here. Okay, so let's cover this. This is the pattern from 7 till 9. What do? We add 2, okay? From 9 till 11, we add 2. From 11 to 13, we add 2. So the second difference is the same, okay? So how the question comes, which differences are constant, which differences are the same? In this question, you'll say the second. Some questions are in the third difference, okay? In this question, the second difference are constant. So the first thing, constant, I'll just write the abbreviation. Constant difference is plus 2, okay? So we want to find the next 2 digits. What do? Do we add 7 or 9 or 11 or 13 or 2? We don't do 50 plus 2 because the answer will be wrong, okay? What do? In order to continue this pattern, we have to continue this pattern first. Because this pattern, their difference is constant. So we do 13 plus 2, it will be 15. And 15 plus 2 will be 17. So this pattern is full, okay? So here we do 50 plus 15, which will be 65, okay? And we'll do 65 plus 17, it will be 82, okay? So the next 2 digits are 65 and 82. To get these 2 answers right, you have to complete this pattern first. And if in the questions that are 3 differences, you have to continue this first, then continue this in order to get these 2 answers right. We don't do 50 plus 13 because it won't be correct. And we don't do 50 plus 2 because it won't be correct also. You have to finish this pattern, then do this, okay? We'll have 3 examples and solve them together, okay? Determine the first thing. The second. First thing, determine means the answers we'll get. First answer we should get which differences are constant. You say the first, the second, or the third. Okay? The second thing, what is the constant difference? Okay? Like for example, is it adding 2, subtracting 7, multiplying the 3, dividing the 2? Okay? And the last thing, you get the next 2 digits as we did in the examples. Okay? You may stop the video if you want to copy these, okay? I have to erase them because there is no space. Example A.
The board.
Okay, so what was the first question we want to get? Which differences are constant? So let's solve. 3 to 13, we add 10, okay? From 13 to 27, we add 14. From 27 to 45, we add 18. And from 45 to 67, we add 22. Okay? So this is the first difference. It's not constant, so let's solve the second difference. Okay? From 10 to 14, we add 4. From 14 to 18, we add 4. From 18 to 22, we add 4. So this is constant. So the first question, which differences are constant? It's positive 4. The second difference, sorry. Which differences are constant? The second difference. Okay? Second question, what is the constant difference? The constant difference is adding 4. The third and last question, it's find the next 2 digits. So as we said, in order to find the next 2 digits, we continue this pattern first, then we continue to get these answers right. So 22 plus 4, it will be 26. And 26 plus 4, it will be 30. Okay? Then we do 67 plus 26, it will be 93. Then 93 plus 30, it will be 123. So your answers will be like this. A, 1, second difference. 1 because it's the first question. Which differences are constant? Then A2. What is the constant difference? Adding 4. Then A3, it will be 93, 123. The next 2 digits. So this is the way you write the answers. Okay? We'll do another example. Sorry. Example B. Do I choose? Okay. 1, comma, 3, comma, 27, 4, comma, 125, okay? So, let's remember, B1, which differences are constant? Well, let's see. From 1 to 8, it is plus 7. From 8 to 27, it is plus 19. From 27 to 64, it's plus 37. And from 64 to 125, it is plus 61. So this is the first difference. Okay? They are not constant. So let's see the second difference. From 7 to 19, it is positive. We add 12. From 19 to 37, we add 18. From 57 to 61, we add 24. So the second difference are not constant. This question has 3 differences. Pause. So, sorry, we stopped the video because my phone was out of charge, okay? So, we said that B1, the question says, the question say, which differences are constant? The first one is not constant and the second one is not constant. But let's see the third one. Third difference, okay? From the difference between 12 and 18 is positive 6, and from 18 to 24, positive 6. So, the first question, which differences are constant? It's the third difference. Okay? B2. What is the constant difference? The constant difference is 6. So the constant difference is adding 6. B3, next 2 digits. Okay, as we said, first we need to finish this pattern, then this pattern, then this pattern. 24 plus 6 is 30. 30 plus 6 is 36. 61 plus 30 is 91. 91 plus 30 is 127. Okay, 125 plus 91 is 216. 216 plus 127 is 343. So the next 2 digits are 216. Is this shown from my body? 216, comma 343. So this is your answer. I think you might find this a question with 4 differences, but I think this will happen rarely. Okay, so we have our 3 questions homework, and that's it. Okay, first question. Okay, 1, comma 4, comma 7, comma 10, comma 13, comma 1. Okay, number 2, 30, comma 25, comma 20, comma 15, comma 10. Okay, number 3. One second. One, comma 8, comma 27, comma 64, comma 121. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you understood this lesson. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and press the notification bell button in order to receive any new videos I post. Okay, don't forget to like this video and comment down below these answers and any question you want to ask. Okay, and the last thing is share this video. Okay, bye.